The purpose of this video is to assist you with alt text in Excel 2019. Let's get started. First, click on or select your image or object. At the top of your screen, you'll see Picture Tools Format tab. Click the Format tab. Find the Accessibility grouping. Click the Alt Text button. An Alt Text task pane will come up on the right side of your screen. Type in your image description. You can also mark it as decorative. Remember, if you're marking it as decorative, you need to ensure that the image or graphic does not release any information that can't be found in the context of the document or spreadsheet. Also, if you're a right-clicker, you can right-click on your image and say Edit Alt Text. That will also bring up your Alt Text task pane. Good luck!